Mark Nejmeh is one of my subscribers. He is one of the largest retail investors of Bionano Genomics that we know so far. Okay, so this man has about 1 million shares of Bionano Genomics worth about $7 million US. And yesterday he made a video asking me to suggest to you guys to stop buying shares of Bionano Genomics because he believes if we stop buying Bionano Genomics shares, that short sellers are going to be starved. Is it true that if we stop buying shares of Bionano Genomics, will the price stop going down? Are we going to be able to starve the short sellers or not? So in this video, I'm going to be reacting to what he said. Is it true that we as retail investors can stop the price of a share, the stock price to stop going down if we stop buying or not? Let's get to it. Alright guys, so before we continue, let me show you guys the video that I am talking about, okay?
What I would recommend is that you do not buy at this point and do not sell at this point. I would just hold if you've already purchased. The reason why is because we have to starve out the shorts. If you don't starve out the shorts, then you're going to easily move the price up and down and slowly degrade the price. They could drive it down to low 4s or maybe into the 3s. If you buy, they will find a way to drive the price down. So don't buy right now. This is a big holler out to, and I don't know Frunkla, but I know he's on here every day making videos. I'm asking you all to ask your people not to buy BNGO until we can find a position and organize people that want to buy the shares to buy after the shorts have been playing with themselves for a while. If you keep buying the shares, the shorts will keep lowering the price to discourage people. That's pretty much all I have to say.
So what Mark is trying to suggest is we should not buy and we should not sell. Okay, let me remind you guys once again, this man holds about 1 million shares of Bionano Genomics worth about $7 million US. So what he's suggesting is if we don't buy BNGO, short sellers are going to be starved. Okay, there will be nothing for them to sell. They won't be able to short the company because nobody wants to sell, or if you keep buying, you are more or less buying from them. That is according to him, according to his definition. So what we are going to do is not to play the whole of the video. What we are going to do is I'm going to show you guys if truly retail investors have the power, to force short sellers, to starve short sellers or not. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so just like I have already shared with you guys in my previous videos about short sellers using the dark pool to short Bionano Genomics so we cannot see what they have been doing, or about the new variant of the C19 virus, the Delta virus, that's why I believe, and also inflation, that's why I believe the price of BNGO is going down, just like any mid-cap company out there. None of I mentioned, Jevo, Neo, Tesla, just mention it, most of all these stocks are going down heavily. That's why I believe most of all these companies are going down right now. So what strategy is best for us to use as retail investors, because we really don't have the power, to force a stock price to go in any direction. Institutional investors, I don't have billions of US in portfolio value. Okay, you need to have at least maybe 100 million US before you can force a stock like BNGO to go in either direction. Okay, so since we are all retail investors, and I don't know how many marks I have on my watching my video right now. If you are institutional investors watching my videos, please let me know in the comment section, but I don't think I have any institutional investor watching my video right now. So in my opinion, the best thing for retail investors like we is just to buy and hold, because we don't have that large deep pocket like institutional investors. Okay, what we can do is to buy the dip and hold, because we cannot force the stock price to go either way. Okay, if anybody tell you they know where the price of BNGO is going to go to next, you need to ask yourself. Okay, that's why in my video I always remind you guys that I am not a financial advisor. I am just here to share my own opinion with you guys and most of the time my opinion may be wrong. Okay, so do you guys think Mark is correct that we should stop buying Bionano Genomics stock so that we can starve the short sellers, okay, like JP Morgan and so on and so forth? Or do you think he's wrong that we need to keep buying the dip? Since we cannot really decide, we can't really force the stock price to go either way. Okay, take a look at AMC, take a look at GME, for example. These two stocks has been going down. They have been going down heavily. And today AMC was down, I think, about 5% or so, and GME was also down today as well, I believe. So even though Wall Street bets are behind AMC and GME, I'm talking about these meme stocks, okay, even though they are behind them, you guys can easily see that they have not really been able to influence the stock price of these two companies. In my opinion, institutional investors are the ones really pushing the price of GME, for example, or AMC to that level that it used to be, above $300 level, $400 level. I don't think it was retail investors, okay? Just like Bitcoin, for example, you guys can see that Tesla, for example, bought Bitcoin around $30, and all these institutional investors like Carterwood from ARK Invest, for example, these whales are the ones pushing the prices of all these stocks. So in my opinion, retail investors, we don't have such power. We just have to keep doing our own due diligence, averaging down and putting in what we can afford to lose. Okay, so do you guys think Mark is correct? I mean, can we really influence the price of Bionano Genomics? If we stop buying BNGO, is it going to help the price of the stock to go higher, or is it going to stop the sell-off or not? Let me know in the comment section. Alright guys, so to end this video, let's quickly take a look at the price action of Bionano Genomics. I mean, today we went up a little bit, so let's take a look at what happened today with the price action of Bionano Genomics, what happened last week, and what we should expect tomorrow, or towards the end of the week. Let's get to it, guys. This is what is going on right now, guys. I mean, today we closed at 1.6 billion US dollars market cap. The volume was 11.4 million shares. I mean, nothing really big as happened, okay? And the stock closed today up 2.25%. It closed around 5.90 US dollars. So this is the technical analysis of Bionano Genomics, the price action. Like I have been telling you guys for weeks now, that I believe at one point there is a possibility that Bionano Genomics was going to go down to this 200 daily moving average, okay? And as you guys can see, today we touched this 200 daily moving average and we bounced, okay? I mean, I believe this is a good support, okay? You guys can easily see, like I told you guys, I bought on Friday around this level as well, because I believe there is something looking like a head and shoulder, left head, left shoulder, we have double head right here, and then we have the right shoulder. So let's see what's gonna happen going forward. So I believe Bionano Genomics found a support at this level. This is the fourth time that Bionano Genomics stock is going to consolidate around this level. As you guys can see, so far today we closed very strong, okay? I mean, I love how we closed today, and of course I added to my position today. I increased my position in Bionano Genomics. I think I added about 1,000 shares today alone. So going forward, I am liking what I am seeing so far. We just have to wait and see what's gonna happen towards the end of the week. And you guys have to remember that we still have Bionano Genomics earnings coming up, okay? I mean, any moment from now, the management of Bionano Genomics, they are going to come out and let us know when the earning date is going to be. Nobody knows exactly when so far. So I believe any moment from now, they are going to come out and inform us that the earnings date is going to be on so date, and I can finally make a review video for you guys to let you guys know what I believe, a preview video to let you guys know what I believe is going to happen during the earnings, the prediction, the EPS, earnings per share, for example, and total expenses, total revenue, and so on and so forth. How many software devices I believe they have managed to install so far, in the second quarter of 2021, and so on and so forth. So I think that's all I want to share with you guys in this video, okay? I mean, let me know what you guys are doing in the comment section, and let me know if you think Mark is correct that we should stop buying the dip. Maybe we can finally starve the short sellers of Bionano Genomics. I remain your boy Dayo. This is Frunkla Investment. If this is your first time on this channel and you enjoy my content, please subscribe, and of course click on the notification bell so whenever I post any video, you'll be the first person to receive the notification. Have a wonderful day, guys. I remain your boy Dayo. This is Frunkla Investment. Ciao, ciao.